Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is now the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. So if we increase the length by 3 and breadth by 2, and the area is increased by 67. This is from NCERT. Now, simple. First you take area of rectangle. Area of rectangle will be LB. L into B always. Now, what will be the new area? New area is reduced by 9. That means, whatever was my old area minus 9 square units. And when this will happen? When the length is reduced by 5, that means L minus 5, breadth is increased by 3 units. So, what will be my new area? Length into breadth. A1 is nothing but A minus 9. Length is L minus 5. Breadth is B plus 3. What is A? A is LB. Take that. Minus 9. Multiply LB plus 3L minus 5B minus 50. LB get cancelled, or you bring this on the left hand side. Minus LB it will going to become. Now, this is minus 9 plus 15, which will be 3L minus 5B. 6 is equal to 3L minus 5B. So, my first equation is 3L minus 5B will be equal to 6. This is my first equation. I think you people all got this. Now, let us check the case 2 about the data what they have given. Same way we are going to do that. Next one. If we increase length by 3 and breadth by 2, area is increased by 67. A2 will be area plus 67 when length is increased by 3 and breadth is increased by 2. So, what will be A2? A2 is once again length into breadth. So, what is A2? A plus 67. This is L plus 3 and B plus 2. So, A is again LB 67. LB plus 2L plus 3B plus 6. This will get cancelled. 67 minus 6. 2L plus 3B. 61 is equal to 2L plus 3B. So, my second equation is 2L plus 3B is equal to 67 is my second equation. Now, we can take from 1 and 2 and we can solve the complete thing, find length and breadth easily now. So, from 1 and 2. First equation is this one and second equation. I multiply this by 2 and this by 3. What we are going to get? 6L minus 10B, 12. This is again 6L plus 9B. This is 3, 183 we are going to get. Now, we change the sign here. Changing the sign, this will be minus 19B and this is minus 177. Negative get cancelled. So, we ended with 19B is equal to 177. B is 177 by 19. It goes by 9. So, B is equal to 9 units. So, breadth we got 9 units. Now, we can easily find the length by using any of the equation. So, I just delete this much. So, we can take any of the equation here. So, I will take from 1. We have 3L minus 5B is equal to 6. 3L is 5B plus 6. 3L is 5 into 9 plus 6. 3L is 45 plus 6. So, this will be 51. So, what we are going to get? L is 51 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, L is equal to 17. So finally, we can leave the answer, the length and breadth of the rectangle. So you can say, therefore, length of rectangle L is equal to 17 units and breadth of rectangle B is equal to 9 units. So you found both the answer in a very easy way. This could be one of the important sum. Now let's go to the next sum. We have come to the next sum. So what is the sum says? A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. There are some fixed charge and additional charge for each day. So first 3 days some charge and after each day there will be some additional charge. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days while Susie paid 21 for a book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for extra. So whatever been asked, we give variable for that. So I am going to say let fixed charge for 3 days. For 3 days will be rupees X. So for overall 3 days only we have taken directly. So see to that. And next one, extra charge. Extra charge per day or for each day, we are going to take rupees Y. So what is about Sarita? Sarita has paid 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. 7 days means first 3 days plus 4 days. First 3 days it is just X rupees. So X. And 4 days each day it is Y. So 4, 5 and hence 27. So your first one is this one. So remember, don't write 3x because for 3 days together we have taken x and per day it is y. So your first equation will be x plus 4y which is equal to 27. Next, Susie paid 21 rupees for 5 days. For 5 days, Susie which is 3 plus 2, x plus 2y because this is per day y. So 21. So we got the second one also. So 2 equations are there with you. Now you can simply go and solve the 2 equations. So I am going to say here from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What is this? X plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y which is equal to 21. I clear here also some of it so that we get some space to work out. Okay. So now direct this is direct. Just change the sign. So this will be 2y. This is 6. So 3. Y is equal to 3. Y is what? Extra charge. We can find the value of x here. So from 1, x plus 4y which is equal to 27. X is 27 minus 4y. X is 27. 4 into 3. X is 27 minus 12. So x will be 15 rupees. So what all we got finally? The value of x is 15 and value of y is 3. So conclude your answer. So fixed charge for 3 days is, therefore, thus you can say fixed charge for 3 days will be rupees 15 and extra charge per day or each day will be rupees 3. Always conclude your answers for the word problems. Don't leave wherever you are just like that. Okay. Now let us see some more sums from RS also. Okay.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is one more sum. We will see this now. Find the value of k for the given linear equations has an infinite number of solutions. So you take the two equation, bring everything on the left hand side, and one more thing, this is k minus 1 x plus k plus 2y minus 3k is equal to 0. Take the values a1, b1 and c1. Now a2 is nothing but k minus 1, b2 is k plus 2 and c2 is minus 3k. We have been given the equations has infinite number of solutions. What is the condition for this? Condition is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. This should be equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition. So now we can take a1 by a2 says what? So I just clear this much. So now a1 by a2 is nothing but 2 by k minus 1. This is equal to 3 by, this is comma, okay. Just make it, okay. This is 3 by k plus 2. This is minus 7 by minus 3k. You can just equate any two values and find the rest of the values. So we will just see here. I'll clear it because we have to just find the value of k here. So I'm taking first two things, 2 by k minus 1 which is equal to 3 by k plus 2. Take the values 2 into k plus 2. This is 3 into k minus 1. So 2k plus 4. This is 3k minus 3. So take the k here. 4 plus 3. 3k minus 2k. 7 is equal to k. So what we got? K is equal to 7. We have to try other one also. So in the first case, I am putting it here. We got k is equal to 7. Don't stop at this because b1 and b2 are also equal to other one. So you have to see all the cases here. So 3 by k plus 2 which is equal to minus 7 by minus 3k. Minus get cancelled. So cross multiply. This is 3 into 3k, 7 into k plus 2. This is 9k, 7k plus 14. So taken here, 9k minus 7k is equal to 14. 2k is 14. 7s are, so k is equal to 7. Hence you can conclude your answer saying that k is equal to 7. We see one more word problem. This is one of the important sum. So the difference of two numbers is 4. If difference of their reciprocal is 4 by 21, find the numbers. This is from RS. So now let us take, let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be x and y. And I have taken x should be greater than y because the difference between two numbers is 4. If x is greater than y, otherwise we will get negative here. And reciprocal, suppose if x is greater than y, then the reciprocal of which is always less than 1. Suppose if you take less than the other one reciprocal. Suppose if you take 3 is greater than 2. Obviously 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. So whenever you take the reciprocal, you will get the ulta sign. Rather opposite sign you are going to get. So here this is most important. Don't write 1 by x minus 1 by y. Because 1 by y will be bigger than 1 by x, then 4 by 21. If you do in the other way, then you have to take the negative. So this is most important which you need to remember. Now, you can take the LCM here. xy, this is 4 by 21. You can call it as 1. So from 1, already we are having x minus y is equal to 4. So I can put here 4 by xy. 4 by 21 from 1. 4 get cancelled, which implies xy is 21. So, I got xy is equal to 21 and x minus y is also there. I can directly go with the formula. There is one best formula which you people might have already learned. If not, I am going to tell you now. So, this is 21, what we got now. There is one formula. If x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square will give you 4xy. This is most important. Or if you can remember, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Remember this formula, which is most important and easy to solve. Minus x minus y is 4. 4. This is 21. So, what will be x plus y whole square? Minus 16. This is 84. So, what I am going to get? X plus y whole square 84 plus 16. X plus y whole square is equal to 100. X plus y is plus or minus root 100. So, x plus y is plus or minus 10. So, we got two more equations now. So, I'll just put it here. What is this means? This means x plus y is equal to plus 10, equation 2, or x plus y is minus 10, equation 3. Now, we have to solve for both of them. Then we can easily find the answer. Now, let us go and find. So, first you can take from 1 and 2. What we are going to get? X minus y is 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. Y get cancelled. 2x, 14. So, 2 7s are. So, x we are going to get 7 here. Now, we can easily find the value of y here. So, we can take from any of the equation. So, I am taking here from 1. X minus y is equal to 4. So, value of x we know, we have to find y. So, x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4, 3 is equal to y. So, we got y is equal to 3. So, my first numbers would be 7 and 3. I'll just put it somewhere here. Okay? I'll just put it somewhere here. So, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. This is what in the first step I got. Now, I take equation 1 and 3 and we will be solving in the same way, and let's see what we are going to get here. So, I am solving it in the same way. So, we can take from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, x minus y is 4, x plus y is equal to minus 10, 2x minus 6, so 3x will be minus 3. And what will be the value of y? X minus y is 4 and x minus 4 is equal to y minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Y is minus 7. So, we are going to write both the answers now. So, both the answers you have to put it, otherwise you will not get the complete marks. So, say therefore required numbers are 7 and 3, or it could be minus 3 and minus 7. That will be the answer. We come up with more and more word problems important.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I'll try to make a video on that.